Hey, we're at the Galway Bay Irish Music Festival in Ocean Shores, Washington, and we're standing here with Keith from the Young Dubliners. Keith, how are you?
Oh yeah, good to see you.
The term Celtic rock, that doesn't necessarily apply fully to the Young Dubliners sound.
Yeah, well, it's, you know, that term came after we'd already been playing for many years. Sort of like a genre that was created out of, you know, bands beginning to add drums to Irish music, but it's such a wide genre now because you have, you know, more hip-hop sounding Celtic rock bands, you have pop, you have, you know, girl singer like the Corrs, you know. So it's such a wide genre now that we don't even know what exactly it is anymore, other than it's, you know, if it's rock and it sounds in any way Irish, it's Celtic rock. We sort of tried to do our own thing all along because there wasn't really any one band for us to follow. It was more influences like the Waterboys, like Big Country for us was a big influence, the Pogues, you know, but not, we didn't want to just do a Pogues thing, and we didn't want to just do, you know, one style. So we just sort of did our own thing, and now I suppose it's all part of the big mixture.
And that's actually what I like about the Young Dubliners sound is it takes a little bit of everything, and that's what I truly appreciate about the sound.
Cool, I like that. So there's a few different tempos.
There is, definitely. The latest release is called 9, correct?
Yep.
And this album is called The People's Album. And why is that?
Well, because they paid for it.
Yeah.
We did a pledge drive. Sort of looked at the Kickstarter idea, but did our own version of it. And yeah, all our fans sent money almost immediately and paid for the record and 2 houses each in Mexico on the beach. No, that's a joke. We used every penny for the album, I swear.
One last question for you, being that we're at a festival. Do you see a difference between like a regular gig, a regular show, and a festival gig, or are they all just about the same? Or?
No, they're all different. The festival gigs are good because you get to see other bands, you know, people you haven't seen in a while. There's that kind of camaraderie vibe. But 10 minutes before a gig, it's a gig. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The difference between festival gigs is usually it's a rush, whereas this is easy. This is the longest breaks we've ever seen between bands. So yeah, it's good. It's a good one. And then we're indoors, so it could rain, it could do anything, and then we get to go to Galway Bay, pub and have a pint afterwards. I mean, I can't think of a better way to spend your day.
People that are just now getting into the Young Dubliners, where can they go maybe to find out a little bit more about the band, where to get the albums?
Yeah, if you go to our website, youngdubliners.com or youngdubs.com, that's the easiest way to do it. And then, but you can, you know, we're on iTunes with all the other stuff and YouTube and, you know, and all the other ways you can get it illegally, free. Go ahead, we don't care. Those records are owned by the labels.
Cool,
But, yeah, we just want people to, you know, hear it whatever way they can and come out and see us.
The new album is called 9 from the Young Dubliners. Keith, we very much appreciate you hanging out with us, and we're looking forward to the show. And everybody check them out at their website, youngdubliners.com, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.
Cool, thank you.